We are Flit, and this is the Flit 16, a brand new generation of folding e-bike. The beauty of the Flit 16 starts with the frame. It's been engineered for high stiffness and incredible handling, and with the battery built in, you can't even tell it's electric. We've engineered a rear suspension system that takes the bumps out of the road. And with a rear hub motor, you'll feel the kick, but always be in control. We developed a custom lithium-ion battery pack and a completely new way of folding. With my background as an automotive engineer, I focused on the bike's geometry to give a comfortable but responsive ride, perfect for city journeys. Join us in the next chapter of our story, and together we'll bring the Flit 16 to life.
the EVELO Quest MAX. The Quest MAX features EVELO motion drive, which combines the benefit of a mid-drive motor by the pedals and an internally geared hub in the rear wheel. Folding bikes tend to get knocked around a bit when being transported, so the CVT hub and belt drive are invaluable, since they won't get knocked out of adjustment. With extra heavy-duty spokes, meaty tires, and oversized disc brakes, the Quest MAX has a sturdy feel and is a great choice for riders of any size. Folding the Quest MAX is quick and easy. First, you fold the bicycle in half with the main latch. Then, you fold the handlebars down with the front latch. Remove the seat post and you're ready to load. When the bicycle is folded, you also have the ability to remove the battery if needed. On the handlebars, you'll find a fully featured LCD display panel along with a throttle on the left-hand side. The Quest MAX offers 5 levels of adjustable pedal assistance along with throttle on demand at any time. The Quest MAX is a great option for anyone looking for a capable mid-drive folder that can tackle any riding conditions, but remains portable for convenience. With the EVELO industry-leading 4-year 20,000-mile warranty and our 10-day trial period, getting an electric bicycle has never been easier or as worry-free as it is today. And feel free to give us a call or send an email if you have any questions.